Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. Our today's topic is Python Frozenset. So in Python Frozenset, we are going to learn about definition, characteristics, creating Frozen set methods, built-in function, and difference between a frozen set and others. So friends, if you're watching my video first time and if you want to learn Python, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Python folders where remaining videos are available. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to our topic, so let us start our topic with a definition. So what is a frozen set? The frozen set is an inbuilt function in Python. So it is an inbuilt function, okay? So which take an iterable objects. So what are the iterable objects? Iterable objects like a list, tuple, right? Set is also a iterable object, okay? And makes them immutable. That means once you change into frozen set, you cannot change the values in the frozen set, okay? So frozen set is a immutable where we cannot add and remove the objects, okay? So simply it frees the iterable objects and make them unchangeable. What do you mean by that? So first it will convert the iterable objects into frozen set. So once it is converted into frozen set, the objects cannot be changed. That means they are immutable. So you can see a small example. F is equal to frozen set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So this is an example how we can create a frozen set. So let us move and check how many ways we can create and what are the characteristics of a frozen set. So let us start with the characteristics. So what are the characteristics of a frozen set? Frozen set has the following characters. First one, frozen set is unordered. So, sorry, frozen set are unordered. Okay, so once your set is frozen set, it is unordered. Okay. Second, the elements of the frozen set cannot be accessed by index. Of course, you don't have a order in the frozen set, so it cannot be accessed by index, right? Next, frozen set are immutable. That means we cannot add or remove the elements. Okay. Next, a frozen set can store different data type. Okay, just like what you'll say list to tuple and others, we can also have a different data type. Okay. Next, frozen set allow duplicate value. Sorry, frozen set not allows duplicate value. So your frozen set will not allow a duplicate value. So these are the characteristics of frozen set. So let us see how we can create and what are the different ways of creating a frozen set. So first, creating a frozen set function returns an immutable frozen set objects initialized within an element from the given iterable. So let us see how this will work. First of all, you can see here syntax frozen set iterable objects. What do you mean by iterable objects? Iterable can be set, list, tuple, etc. Okay, so it can be anything, right? So next, so a small example here we can see we can directly say f is equal to frozen set 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is a one way of creating, and if I say print f, it will print as frozen set 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? Same way, if I try to change from set or tuple to frozen set, let us see how it will work. First, what I will do, I will create a set. You can see here s is equal to, so I have used what brackets? I have used curly brackets. So this is a set. Now I have converted the set into f. See, f is equal to frozen set. Yes. Now this set will convert into the frozen set. Once your set is converted into the frozen set, then it is again immutable. Okay, we cannot add or cannot remove the elements. Now if I say print, f, what it will do? See, it will show the output like this. So what you understood, that a frozen set can take any iterable values like a set list tuples, and it will convert into the frozen set. Okay, so once it is converted into the frozen set, the elements cannot be added or removed, means it is freezed. Okay, so you can also take a tuple. I will show you another example. Tuple, see, I have taken sorry, not tuple, tuple. Okay, so t is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now you can see it's a what round brackets. So I have taken tuple, and I now again converted the tuple into the frozen set. So this is how we can convert different list tuple sets into the frozen sets. Okay, so let us see what are the other things we have with the frozen set. See, just like set, frozen set will also support union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, is superset, is subset, is disjoint. Okay, So but it will not support some of the set functions like add, remove, pop. Okay, so why it will not accept? Because frozen set is immutable, so it cannot be add or removed. Okay, so that's why it will not accept the other methods like a add, remove. Okay, so it will accept only these set functions. Okay, so which are union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, is superset, is subset, is disjoint. Okay, so let us see a small example on the frozen set, then we will move to the frozen set methods. Now I am in the Python program, so let us see how we can create a frozen set. Okay, so first I will take f1. Okay, f1 is equal to, directly I will create a frozen set by saying frozen set. Okay, frozen set, I will create some values like a 1 comma 2 comma 3, close bracket, close main bracket, enter. So if I say f1, see what it is showing, frozen set 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now I can also take indirectly by creating set or a tuple. Okay, so for example I will create s is equal to, I will use square brackets once, sorry, curly brackets. So once I used curly brackets, what it is a set, right? So let me close the bracket. Okay, this time I'll take only 2. Okay, so curly brackets, enter. Now let me convert this s into frozen set. So I'll take f2. F2 is equal to frozen set s. Okay, now I am converting the s into frozen set. Okay, so s, enter. Now if I say f2, see what it is showing, frozen set. If I say type f2, so what it is showing as a data type as a frozen set. Nice, right? So let us see if we create tuple, then okay, so tuple also, if I say t is equal to, I will just create 1 comma 2. Okay, so 1 comma 2, close bracket, enter. Now I will say f3 is equal to frozen. Okay, so frozen set is a function we use to convert the others into iterable items into the frozen set. Okay, so I'll say t, close bracket, enter. If I say f3, see, right? So this is how we can create different types of frozen set. Okay, so in frozen set we cannot use some of the set function like a add, remove. So let us see. Okay, suppose if I say f3 dot add, f3 dot add, I want to add a 3. Okay, so I'll say 3, enter. So what it is saying, see, it is showing error because we cannot add. Once we have declared a frozen set, it is a immutable. Okay, let us try to remove. Okay, so I'll say f3 dot remove. Already we have a 2 right in the, so I'll say 2, close bracket, enter. See again, so we cannot add or remove an elements in the frozen set, so it's a immutable, right? So let us go back to our functions. Okay, coming back to our topic, so let us see what are the frozen set methods we can apply. Okay, as we know, all the set methods are not applied for the frozen set because it is a immutable. So add, remove, pop, discard, such such functions are not applicable. Only mathematical function like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, is superset, is subset, is disjoint, and copy. Okay, so they will be work. Okay, so let us see. So first let me start with the union. Okay, so of course what union will do, it will return frozen set in a new frozen set. Okay, so what, for example, I have taken a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, b is equal to 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now again, as we know, I will convert the a set into fa and b set into fb. Now if I try to print fa or fb, okay, or you can also use fa dot union fb. Okay, so you'll get the output. What is the output? It gives the 1 2 3. As we said, it will not accept the duplicate values, so it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 only one time, 7 8. Okay, so same way, intersection, what it will do, it will join. Okay, so it will join the two values, and sorry, it will take only common values. Okay, for example, if 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, 4 5 6 7 8, so I will converted the AB set into FA FB. Okay, so now if I say FA intersection FB, what it will do, it will give only common values, that is 4 and 5. Same way we can also implement difference. Okay, so where it will give the first set value, deleting the second set common elements. Okay, so suppose if I say A minus B, what it will print, A minus B means it will print 1 2 3, removing the 4 5, because 4 5 are the common. Okay, same way if I go for a symmetric difference, what it will do, it will remove the common elements between A and B, reverse to the intersection. Okay, so it will print the reverse to the intersection. So not only this, okay, so we can also implement superset, subset, and disjoint. Okay, so we'll see later. So first let us implement these functions in the Python. Okay, now I am back to the Python program. So let us see how we can do the all the mathematical function like union, intersection. Okay, so let us see. So I will take a is equal to, okay, so directly I am going to take a frozen set. Okay, so I'm just taking directly frozen frozen set bracket. Okay, so in bracket I will take 1, okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. I will close the bracket, close the main bracket, enter. Same way I will take B is equal to frozen set 3 comma 4 comma 5, close bracket, enter. Now let us see the difference between a and B. Sorry, let us see the other operation like a union, intersection, and difference and symmetric difference. So first let us start with the A dot union, A dot union B. Okay, so what will be the answer? A dot union B, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? See, as I said, frozen set will not allow duplicate values, so it has taken 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if I say A dot intersection, so what will be the answer? Intersection only 3, right? Intersection bracket B. See, it is given answer as only 3. Same way, A dot difference. Okay, so A dot difference. Okay, difference B. Okay, so when I say A dot difference B, it will take 1 2. Okay, see, 1 2. Same way, if I say A dot symmetric difference B. Okay, okay, I have written wrong. Okay, so there was a mistake, SSSY double M I should type. Okay, so again A dot, here I will take A dot symmetric symmetric, sorry, not N, symmetric underscore difference, FFERENCE difference B. Okay, so what I will get the answer, it will remove the 3 and it will give answer as 1 2 4 5. See, 1 2 4 5. Okay, this is how we can implement union, intersection, difference, and symmetric. So let us see other methods. Coming to other methods, we have is superset. Okay, so suppose if I take A 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and B is equal to 4 5, so it will check whether FA means I would converted the A into the frozen set. Okay, so A is superset of B, yes. Okay, so it will give true. Same way I can also use is subset. Okay, so now FB is subset of A, FA, yes, because it contained 4 5 and 4 5 is already there in the A. Again, if I say is disjoint, okay, so FB is disjoint, F means the elements in the A and B are not same. Okay, so it doesn't, both doesn't contain a common elements. False, because they are contains common element. So let us implement the same in the Python. Coming back to Python, so let us implement the is superset, is subset, and is disjoint in the Python. So let us see an example. I will take f, or directly we'll say a is equal to frozen set. Okay, so I will take elements like a uh, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, right. Same way b is equal to frozen set 3. Okay, I'll just take only 3, right? Close bracket, enter. Okay, now if I say a dot superset, a dot superset b. Okay, so what it will give answer as, sorry, I've done some mistake. Okay, so okay, is sorry, I have to say a dot is superset, okay, b, right? So what it is giving, true. Same way if I say b dot is subset, so it will give true again, because b element 3 is there in the a, right? So b is subset of a and a is superset of b, right? Okay, so right, super, sorry, subset, right, subset of a, right? So what it will give the answer as true. Suppose if I say a dot is disjoint to b, that means they don't have a common elements. No, because they have common elements 3, so it will give as a false. So let us see. So I'll say a dot is disjoint b. Okay, false. Why it is giving false? Because the both has a common elements. You can see 3 is there in the a and b. Suppose if I say, and if I take another function c, sorry, another variable c, and if I take 4 5 6 like that, so then it will give true. Okay, so if both the set doesn't have a common element, then it will give true, otherwise it will give false. Nice. So let us move to the our topic again. Coming to our topic, so frozen will have some built-in functions also, sorry, built-in functions also, like length, sum, max, min. Okay, so let us see. Suppose if I take f is equal to frozen set 1 2 3, and if I say len, okay, so here it should be a small letter l. Okay, so lenf, so what will be the output? 3, because it contains 3 elements. Same way if I say sum, what is a sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will return 6. Same way if I say maximum, so what will be the maximum? The maximum element will be, if I say max f, so it will show 3. Same way if I use minimum f, so it will return 1. So this is how our built-in function will work. So let us see with the examples. Coming back to Python program, so already I have taken a is equal to frozen set 1 2 3, right? So let us implement the functions, built-in function. So I'll say len a. Okay, so what it will return? It will return, see, length is 3, because 1 2 3 3 items are there. Same way if I say sum, okay, so what will be the sum of a? So it will be 6, because 1 plus 2 plus 3. See, we got the right answer. Same way max, I can say max, and what will be the answer? If I say max a, answer is 3, because 3 is the highest number in the a, 1 2 3. Okay, same way if I say min, okay, so min a, so it will return 1. See, because you can see here 1 is the smallest element. So this is how our built-in functions work on the frozen set. So let us move to the again our topic. Coming back to our topic, so let us see what are the difference between a list, tuple, set, and frozen set. Okay, so first, heterogeneous element. Yes, so list will also take heterogeneous elements, tuple will also take heterogeneous element, set will also take heterogeneous element, and frozen set will also take heterogeneous element. Representation, how they represent by square brackets. Okay, so list will be represented with the square brackets, tuple will be represented with the round brackets. Okay, set will represent with the square brackets, and frozen set we use frozen set. Okay, so duplicate elements it will allow. Okay, so list will allow duplicate elements, tuple will allow duplicate elements, set will not allow. Okay, so it doesn't allow duplicate elements, and frozen will not allow duplicate elements. Mutable, yes, list is mutable. Tuple we cannot. Okay, so tuple we cannot add or remove. Set we can add or remove. Okay, again frozen set it is again mutable. Okay, so it cannot, sorry, immutable, it cannot be added or removed. Okay, order, yes, list has a order, tuple will have a order, set doesn't have a order, it's an order, and frozen set is also doesn't contains any order. Okay, update elements, list, yes, tuple we cannot, and set we cannot, sorry, set we can update. Okay, we can use add and remove. Frozen set we cannot use add and remove. Okay, so this is the difference between a list, tuple, set, and frozen set. So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.